Guys, we're gonna be installing this right here for the transmission bypass. This is a lot better option than factory because, well, hell, I'll let him tell you. What'd your truck run?
Man, that son bit ran about 230.
So this is obviously this truck right here, and it does have 37s with 342s gear ratio. Is that correct? 373. Okay, but anyways, so I mean it runs a little hotter than average. But what did it usually run at?
It usually, nah, for real, it usually runs like between 190 and fucking 230. Like one day it got up to 232, and I was like, yo, I was like, let me just turn my truck off for a little bit. And I was buying some crawfish, you know, so I'm getting off subject.
Yeah, I know what you mean. I've had to do that a couple times with mine. Now the hottest mine I ever got was 205, and me and him have similar setups. 37s, you know, he's got probably heavier wheels. I just have reps on mine, but I mean 190, that's too hot, and definitely 200, 210, 220, 230 is way too hot.
That's the max
even towing, you know. Yeah, so you're damaging your transmission at that point. We'll show you what's all in the kit. All right, guys, so you get this little box right here, and I will have the link in the description for the part number. And we're just doing this on the back of a truck right now, so. All right, so anyways, this is everything that comes in the kit, and they do have instructions in here, and you really can't mess them up. Here's instructions right here. It says just 2014 and up 6080, but it can, you know, 8L90s, 6045, all those. It can fit all those with these year model trucks. So anyways, but it has a pretty easy step-by-step, you know, instructions to go by, and basically we'll go over that here next, but first we're gonna do the uninstall. All right, guys, you'll see the driver's side of the truck. Go up under here. If you have a two-wheel drive, it'll be a lot easier to see.
Don't be talking shit about the truck.
I'm just telling you. Because four-wheel drive, you're gonna have a big old, what's the word? I can't even think of it. Shaft, drive shaft. You're gonna have a big old drive shaft right here coming from your transfer case, and it's gonna be on the way. First step is you're gonna want to remove this. You can either remove the lines or the block first, whichever one you prefer. I did the lines first, but that's a 10 mil, and you can see exactly how it's set up right there with that plate. So anyways, you're gonna undo that. It's gonna come from here, and you can pull out the lines along with the plate, and then you can get this 13, and that's it for the removal. Say it.
Yo.
All right, make sure you have a drip pan, because if you don't, you're going to get a little bit on the
little something.
But anyways, it should only leak out about probably half a quart.
How much in there?
But I've just undone the lines. Yeah, it ain't much.
Oh, that thing full to the tip of the top.
Yeah, man, we're going to have to just
I'm finna have to switch out the buckets. Yeah.
Stuff.
I might have to change out the buckets.
All right, guys, so like I said, you got the directions, and I'm going to go over them right quick and show you exactly how it goes. See the two O-rings? Watch this. Slide it over. And then you gotta hop one more for the next one. So those two little grooves. Scroll down. Be careful with it, you don't wanna rip it. So that's done. Two gaskets on right there. And the next step, we're going to just go ahead and do this other gasket right here on this piece. And that's how the kit is going to go together as far as the gaskets. And you got your ball bearing and your leaf spring. All right, guys, get you some of this. This will help it.
That double defaulted?
Double defaulted. So you're going to spray it on top. Just, you know, you ain't going to spray a whole lot. And if you do that, take your snap ring pliers like this right here. Go in these two holes. Squeeze them down hard enough. Ooh, that sucker may go. Ain't gonna be on video if it do. Hold on.
I have to put the video in slow motion to see what's
went.
Yeah, it popped up.
There it goes.
Didn't go nowhere.
Not too bad.
Look at that.
We lucky. Them are just Harbor Freight snap ring pliers. They ain't the best.
It's Harbor Freight. That's why it works so good.
Oh, dang. You got them pliers?
The needle nose.
Yeah, over here.
Yeah.
This stuff is also good for stuff like this. You know, tools that don't ever get used because, you know, people that use them, you know, don't work. But, nah, you just spray it.
Ain't them yours?
Hey, that sucker's good as new now, though. Anyway, so you're going to take these needle noses, grab this nipple, whatever you want to call it, and just turn, and it'll pop right on out. There it goes. Perfect. See how similar this piece looks to the new ones? All that stuff. Anyway, so once you get that out, set it to the side wherever, and then look at this. It's showing you exactly how it's going to go in there. So you're going to first drop this little piece with the O-ring straight down. All right. Then after that, you got the spring. The big end is going to go in first. Actually, may want to do it like that. Let's do it like this. So I got that piece in there. Now I'm going to take this ball bearing and this spring. I'm going to stick it in there like that. And then turn it sideways. Going with it. Press it. Oh, you heard that pop. That's how you know it's good. You hear that sucker pop?
Yeah.
It popped like it's ready to. And just respray the top. Just extra support on putting this snap ring in.
Your kid's gonna be all in this video. Screaming.
Oh, it's all good. Alright, once you get in there, just make sure you press it down all the way. Heard it clip in right there. Alright. Sucker's in there. Now the next thing to do is just reinstall it. Reverse steps of the uninstall. We'll give y'all an update here soon. 1:35 and 77 degrees. We've been driving probably about 35 minutes. So that's a lot better than 2:30, don't you think, bro? And he's been giving her hell too. Anyways, but hopefully this helps y'all out, guys. Y'all should know how to do it. And y'all, I wish we could have got a video beforehand, but I promise y'all, take our word for it. It ran at 2:30, now it's at 1:38 right now. So and he's giving her hell.